It is proverbial to say, look before you leap. Let's relate the story, The Fox and the Goat, to prove the truthfulness of this proverb. Once upon a time there lived a fox in a jungle. He felt thirsty. His thirst made him restless, and he left no stone unturned to search for water. At last he found a well in the middle of the jungle. There was water in the well but very shallow. Unfortunately, while looking into the well, he slipped and fell into it. Out of fear, he forgot his thirst and started struggling to get out of it. He tried his best but in vain. All his efforts failed and he could not come out of the well. Meanwhile, a goat passed nearby. Hearing the splashing sound, she peeped into the well. She was surprised to find a fox there. When the fox saw the goat, he got an idea to get out of the well. The goat asked him what he was doing in the well. The fox replied cunningly that the water of the well was very sweet. He daily came there to drink it. She would not have drunk such sweet water in her life. Saying this, he invited her to come down and have a drink. The foolish goat, without thinking of the consequences, jumped into the well. The clever fox trapped the goat, climbed on her back at once and jumped out of the well. Now the goat realized her folly. She requested him to help her to get out of the well. But the fox replied that she should have thought of the consequences before jumping into the well. He said that he was in a hurry and would see her next time. He suggested that she should cry at the top of her voice so that her master might come to rescue her. Saying this, he went away. Moral: look before you leap.